knowledge makes you great.
It's been 25 years of passionate chasing. Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Anand Krishnan here. Coming to you from Tarmac Media House on Church Street. We just opened the office after the second lockdown today, and like most of you, I've been missing office so much. Close to 50 days lockdown. So this is the first shoot, a shoot with tons of hope, hoping that all the pending shoots we'll be able to now start launching one after the other. June it is, and to me, as a person, June month is very emotional, brings me truckloads of memories, some good, some not so okay. In fact, it was June way back in '92, I became a journalist. It has been last close to 3 decades. It was in June again I left engineering and came to journalism, and a lot of associated issues after that, thrown out of the home, all that. It was in June I first got an interview with Guru Kalam as the president. I have interviewed him before, but as president of India. The first ever interview was granted in this month, in June. It was also in June I met him for the last time in 2015. Similarly, lot of great memories of June. But I am coming to all of you not to share about my June experience. I am coming to you specifically to tell you something that I want all the young fellows watching this program, following my work. I want all of you to take a pledge, a promise that you fellows, when you grow up, when you get a job, you will every month keep aside a portion of your earnings to help others. So in that sense, this small broadcast comes to you with the request, please help others. Nothing else you need in life in case if you are capable of helping others. Because humanity needs help. Humanity needs help now, and humanity needs you in case if you can support. There are thousands of people helpless. This virus has made so many people helpless, so many people confused, so many people in pain, in distress, in uncertainty, what not. I have lost several of my close friends to COVID. Many relatives, friends ka friends, and many unknown faces. You know, we all are part of a silent movement called Inspired Indian Foundation, backing unsung heroes. Tarmac right from beginning have been really focusing on helping unsung heroes, people who are in need. In the last 2 months especially, second lockdown, it has been terrible. In fact, from last year onwards, when this first lockdown happened, we have been helping many people sans publicity. It is our primary duty to help others. I keep asking some people as part of our missions, you know, collectively, we have different forums, silent forums, all Guru Kalam's missions. We have top scientists, we have top writers, we have got many people, sports stars, part of different top doctors, different silent groups. And also we have got friends. A lot of my friends say, we have already helped. A lot of people whom I know say we have already done something. Just once and done with it. Humanity needs more than that. Humanity needs constant help. जितना लोग है पता है कुछ भी नहीं है. They are shattered. How many people we come across every day in and day out. तो इसलिए मैंने आपको बोल रहा हूँ, प्लीज हेल्प. कुछ मत करो, ये सोशल मीडिया में ट्वीट करके, रीट्वीट करके, मोदी को प्रेस करके, मोदी को गालियां देके, राहुल गांधी के बारे में जोक बोल के, राहुल गांधी को गालियां देके, डू यू थिंक द नेशन विल गो फॉरवर्ड? Don't fall into the trap of politicians. I don't admire even a single politicians of today. Don't fall into their traps. Don't fall into traps of these social media gang बोलता है मैंने, gang. There is a gang of so-called experts giving GAN every day. Don't fall into their traps. This is the time not for GAN, this is the time to help. जो कुछ अगर आपके पास पैसा नहीं है तो आपका कपड़ा दे दो, अच्छा कपड़ा है तो दे दो, घर से निकालो. Come out of the home properly wearing masks. If you have taken both the vaccine shots, please help people. Please buy rations. Get into your kitchen and see if you have got unused utensils in good condition. Give away to the people who don't have. This is the time for you to take stock of little bit of others' life as well. How long you will keep on taking care of you? There are some set of people who have always keep warning me, Anand, you are playing dangerously, bahar nahi jana hai, be very careful. Come on. You can't be sitting at home only talking about corona. I have got my close family members always exchanging notes on corona. Corona, there are only 3 things to be done. Sanitize, get both vaccines done, wear double mask. These are the 3 things you should do. Don't keep on telling about corona. Don't blame the virus. Defeat the virus. Don't surrender to these problems. We have to become masters of the problems, right? I'm not getting into that aspect of life. I want all of you to help. Jitna bhi help karo, utna help karo, day in and day out. And that has to be a primary focus. Who else will save humanity if not you and me? It is our primary duty. And one more thing. जब ये help करते हैं ना, ज़्यादा publicity please मत दे दो. When you are helping the left, the right shouldn't know. But let me tell you, 90% of the things what we do, that is Inspired Indian Foundation, Team Million Beats, Tarmac Media House, and all my friends, what we do, nobody knows. In fact, all our missions are faceless. The beneficiary has got no clue from where the help is coming out from. And we have been doing this from a long time. And most of our missions are monitored by the greats like Dr. Kota Harinarayana, Guru Kota. Great scientists like Shyam Shetty. Our first man who went to space, Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma. Former ISRO Chairman Dr. Radhakrishnan. And many people. So, you don't have to support an organization. You don't have to look for where do I go and help. Step out of your home. Stand in the balcony and look. You will definitely find somebody who needs help. And जब help करता है ना, full दिल से करो. Do it with your full heart. And don't stop it with Monday. Don't stop it with Tuesday. Don't stop it with Wednesday. Keep on helping. Lifelong. आज से एक मिशन ले लो, जितना भी है. What is the use of asset and wealth when humanity is dying? Why do you need, if you have so much of abilities, if you have capability to help others, please help. I want you to be different. And don't waste time on social media. Please come out of unwanted groups. I have come out of many groups which is just time wasting. Today, a lot of people discuss about corona, a lot of people talk about helping on social media but don't help. And don't fall into the trap of those people who puts likes and comments on social media. All these are time waste. All these are, I would say, meaningless exercises. Bahar pheko ye sab cheezon. Cut off all these things and help people. As I told you, you don't need associations, you don't need groups. Whatever way you can help, then our life becomes more purposeful. I hope all the young fellows who are listening to this will bring that subtle change. That's a way we will bring a change to this great nation called India. That's a way we empower the tricolor quietly. All good energies to merge. Why? To help others. Keep helping all the time. हमेशा के लिए. जितना help कर सकता है, उतना आप help करो. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Knowledge makes you great.
It's been 25 years of passionate chasing.